Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strojan in this video, my taste test, and trying the Flamin' Hot Sweet Carolina Reaper Cheetos. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it, and if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
So yeah, today's gonna be a very special video today. Because you know I have milk out. Well, just to let you guys know, well, sometimes you know I have milk for kids or something, you know, and I just got today. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, and then you bring you up right now. Yes, that's right, everyone. That's right. That's damn right. Yeah, I'm gonna read it to you, and it's some of it is what the video. I remember Michael Blog that gave, Michael Myers blogs, but original called, now he's done in a nude count, but for now, yes, I got this stuff. It's the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Sweet Carolina Reaper. So yeah, I just got these just today at Walmart. Just let everyone else know. If you want to go find this, go to your local Walmart, or if they have it at Target, let me know in the comments if you were able to find them in Target or any of your grocery stores or any of the other stores. So yeah, I just got these. So yeah, I'm gonna do my taste system. But before I even start, I want to end up giving a disclaimer here. If you do not like the content I make, the react videos, or the talk law, well, most of the time I haven't been doing talk like lately because I've been mostly doing react videos. And sorry about that. Hold on. And so. Yeah, sorry about that. If you don't like them, then don't. Any of your stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch it, go somewhere else, because the only thing you're going to be doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth, Rowan. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So now, without further ado, let's get to this taste test video. Such trying video. Let's get to it right now. Woo! Oh yeah. Don't forget, I have milk in case it goes on fire. Woo! Happy birthday! Woo! This is spicy! Little bit of spice! Woo! Woo! Man! Woo! Oh, that smells good. That smells of the super spicy. Tasty. Woo! So let's get to it now. So now.
Hold on everyone, let me check on Snoopy, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Those white tea and have a sweet cherry mirror. Oh, about that fire. Look, I got a milk here. Just in case. Woo! Like the more you eat, the more the spice.
Excuse me, sorry I burped.
Need some milk. That's why I like to talk to myself sometimes. There's one more. I'm gonna be done.
Give me 1 minute, everybody. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everybody.
So that eat slightly something more. Open your side, does it win? Yeah. So I need to drink all my milk. So yeah, that's the end of the taste test video, like a trying video. So what I thought of it, I thought it was good. Really strong. Very strong. Woo! It's so strong, you know I'm admitting why strong I'm admitting. So spicy. To the point where what was wiping my eyes because spicy don't make my tears go down. Make my tears come out sometimes. So yeah. That's pretty much it. You know, if you guys like the taste test, you know, if you guys like it, if you guys do like it, if you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment. comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on. For every time I upload, oh man, my mouth's on fire now. And share my videos and react videos to your friends and family also if you want to, it's your choice, because I ain't making you. Amber, my mouth's still on fire there and stuff. And we're on the road to 2K subscribers and maybe 3K subscribers. So yeah, and that's the end of this video. It's a trying video. Snack review or whatever it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you all in the next time. So yeah, peace out, everyone.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 6,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.